subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has silently launched the successor of Oppo A55 5G smartphone in China as Oppo A56 5G with a new camera design. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A56 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus ASI display with 60Hz refresh rate and 120Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports 88.7% screen-to-body ratio and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM, which is expandable up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, that is again expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo A56 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual-ray camera includes one 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.6 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 189.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A56 5G has been priced in China at 1,599 Chinese yuan and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in soft fog black, wind chime purple and cloud smoke blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A56 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.